That one.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello. I've come to see my beanie for dinner.
I've just been out to get mine. Come on in then.
Thank you.
Oh.
Bean. Bean. Bean.
Hold on, me a come. Huh? What?
Dinner, remember? Look. You promised.
Oh, me know. Today, let me take this. Let me take it. Give me that. You want to sit down?
Oh.
Sit down. Yes, man, sit down.
Oh.
Me, I go start cooking now.
Oh.
Soon come, yeah? Lord God, how what this for me do, sir? Oh! Me must find something when I blast it come back. Cobweb. Fridge. Yeah. Can't cook lettuce. Me not have nothing when look up that cheese for rat. What else this crave woman? Oh, me have something else. Me no have it, so you go. Wow. Well, did I already know? Say it, baby.
Oh, hi. What's that?
Surprise.
Oh. You promised spaghetti and meatballs.
Oh, sorry. Wipe your eye.
Oh, this is disgusting. Right.
No, don't move. Me ever get something else you eat.
Bad like a soldier, dead like a rasta, all we buffalo soldier, we are no easy push up.
Yeah, sit down right here, so. Why do them things here? Oh, them so heavy. Yes. Huh? Take out one from the bottom. Ja. Look how easy me take it out, star. A simple thing. Look, what a long nose. Lord God, this has never broke me back. Take up one. Me back. Got it. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on, it's too hot. Sure, no stress. Let me taste it for see. Oh, it have a bun up the girl them out. Creep like. Help! Water! Water paper hot.